Dear students, today also we are discussing another type of the disaster, that is cyclone. In this paragraph they are given so many information about of this. What is cyclone? All those things. Now we will discussing today in today's class. Cyclones means hectic rain with heavy winds all together given some struggle to the humans or living things. This situation will happen in nature. It will struggle to the humans and living things. This type of the disaster we called as a cyclone. A cyclone or a tropical cyclone is a large spinning storm. Storms means in Kannada pravaha. Yes, with high speed winds, it's accompanied by rain. So it will happen with rain and wind is a major part of this. This both all together given struggle to the living things on the earth. It mostly forms over warm coastal areas. Commonly it will happen near to the coastal area. When cyclones happen, they can cause enormous damage. High speed winds can uproot trees and damage homes. There are highly waves in the sea. It is dangerous to be out at sea during a cyclone. So you already know that has like a earthquake and flood. This is also dangerous to the living things. It is also damaging the lifestyle of humans as like that trees and animals also struggling from this. It is dangerous to be out at the sea during a cyclone. In India, cyclone prone areas are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal because all the places are located nearby to the ocean. Happily, this type of the cyclones near to the it will happen to the ocean. That's the reason nearby to the ocean, whatever places will be there, that all the places will get this type of the disaster commonly. These storms are called by the different name according to the region where it is originate. So cyclone will call some other name of that. Where it is originate, that place will calling some other names. Commonly they will call like this of the names. They are called hurricane in the Atlantic Ocean. It will happen in the Atlantic Ocean, that nearby the places will call one type of the name. That name is a hurricane. And typhoons in the North Pacific Ocean. North Pacific Ocean nearby the places called this type of the cyclone. They will call the name of that typhoons. Typhoons and hurricanes both are cyclones, but near the areas will given different type of the names of this. And these are some tips for preparing for a cyclone. What are the tips to have? We can obey this. Now we will see. Listen to the news for latest update. So about of this disaster news broadcast given some information about of this, some of the instruction of this disaster. Now we will in that time we will follow this type of the tips. Listen to the news for latest updates. As like that, keep some food always ready for the emergency. And because of we already know that this of the disaster before, because news will give some updates about of that. That's the reason we can keep some food always ready for the emergency. And switch off the electrical mains in your house and remain calm and head for a proper shelter. So this type we can prepare for to rescue from this type of the disaster. Comparatively, earthquake, it is a lesser damage to the human lifestyle.